Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, I'm so very much grateful. Thank you very much. As the saying goes, all you need is love and coffee, and so with only coffee, sweetened condensed milk, sugar and whipping cream, you can make yourself a really delicious creamy coffee ice cream that will be loved by everybody. I'm going to be adding 3 spoonfuls of coffee in a jug. You can even use decaffeinated coffee if you want to do away with all the caffeine. And to that, I've just added some sugar. All the ingredients will be left in the description box for you, so you can check it out. With this, I've just added a little bit of water, just so to mix it up. Here you don't want to add too much water because we want this coffee to be so creamy. Just make sure that you crush in the granules very well so it really melts. It's that simple. Once that has been achieved, I'm going to go ahead and add my condensed milk. And if you are new here, hello, you are so very much welcome. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel, activating your bell icon as well so you would receive all future uploads. Thank you very much. Yes, so I've just gone ahead and mixed this nicely, and now as you can see, it has mixed up well. In an empty bowl, I'm going to be adding my heavy whipping cream. We're going to whip this up. Yes, so continue to whip. You can use a manual whipping tool to do this, but this is quicker, as you know. So I've just whipped, and you want to whip until soft peak appears, just like so. And just like that, we're going to bring our coffee mixture, give it a quick mix, and pour it over. Just take a look at how beautiful this is. Now you want to mix everything together until it is well combined. Yes, my darling, so just find yourself a bowl and pour this gorgeous mixture in. Yes, so shake it up and then flatten it up, and you want to cover it just so to retain all that fresh, gorgeous smell of coffee. Yes, freeze it until it is nicely firm. I left mine for about 5 hours. And now look, it is so creamy. It has this pleasant, rich taste, the right balance of sweetness with coffee as the first and last flavor on your tongue. Even non-coffee lovers would absolutely love this heavenly ice cream. Thank you very much for watching, for staying with me until the end, and for liking the video. Kindly like this video if you haven't already done so to help the channel to grow. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.